Yo, what is up, YouTube? I go by the name of FlexNIV, and I got some very disappointing news today.
Yes, sir.
That ain't no PPP, that's because of a business degree, but I ain't stressing though, because today we're going over the easiest, fastest, and newest way to make money online from home. Alright, so before I go into my computer and show you how you can make thousands of dollars in a matter of seconds, I just have to give a disclaimer. This is not financial advice in any way, and no one has ever said this, but I am an extremely profitable trader. So let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. That's 5. 500 in cash. Alright, now that that's out the way, let's go over what HFX stands for. HFX stands for high frequency trading, aka Forex little cousin.
Sounds like a get rich quick scheme.
Yes, thank you. You will get rich quick. We all will.
So today I'm on a site called Pocket Options. Pocket Options is one of the only sites that allows you to use a demo account. So basically you don't have to trade real money, but you're actually putting in real trades. So if you find yourself over trading, or you're just simply losing a lot of money because you don't have time to test your indicators or your strategies, this is the site you want to be on, because you can test everything without having to lose any money. Well, how do you work this Pocket Options? Easy. So now that you're on Pocket Options, the only thing you have to do is you go to expiration time. This expiration time, that just tells you how long you want your trade to be. The lowest is 30 seconds. You can do a minute, 2 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It really depends on you. Next, you got your trade amount. Your trade amount is however much you want to do. The lowest you can do is $1, and the most you can do is $1,000. Really depends on your broker, to be honest. Now, the good thing about however much you're putting in, it always shows you right here however much money you're going to make back. So right here, this green button is normally called a call or a buy, and whenever you press this green button, that means that you're predicting that the market is going to go up than wherever you press the green button at. So for instance, if we did a 30-second trade right now, it'll be a green little line that says $2, and it'll stretch out probably to right here since it's a short trade. And you're just predicting and hoping that the market is going to be higher whenever your trade closes out, so that you can make this $1.06 profit. Actually, let's go up, because that doesn't sound too good. $8 profit sounds better. So now right here for the red button, it's a sell or a put option, and basically if you press this for a 30-second trade, it's going to be a line that has $10, and you're predicting that the market is going to go down. So whenever that market goes down, you win your trade and you get your $8. If it happens to do the opposite and it goes up instead of it going down when you said it was going to go down, you're basically going to lose your $10. So HFX trading is pretty simple. Please don't overthink it. Just remember,
you go in there, don't get hit, come home with a pocket full of cash.
All right, now that we got all that out the way, now it's time to make some money. So as you can see, this looks like a bunch of foolishness. It looks like a bunch of just up and down, up and down. And this type of trading is not good trading. So I like to use indicators. The indicators we're using is the Keltner channel, and the second one is the Stochastic Oscillator. So I know you've probably seen this one before. If you're used to HFX, you know that this is an overbought, oversold condition type of indicator. So basically, let me just give you a little explanation of it. Whenever you see this blue and orange pass over this green or little teal line, that means the market is in a overbought condition, and that means it's about to reverse. Whenever you see it pass this orange line, that means it's in a oversold condition and it's about to reverse. All right, but just because you see that doesn't mean that the market is going to reverse. As you can see, let's see. For an example right here, as you can see, the market was in a overbought condition, and guess what? The market looks like it's going down, but it shot right back up. It ended up going right here. So if you would have gotten that trade for a minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, you still would have lost money, because it didn't go down for maybe another 20 minutes. All right, so what you have to look for this strategy is you have to look for the market to be in a overbought or oversold condition. It has to be outside of the Keltner channel. That's what this is for. I'm not looking for it to be inside. I'm looking for it to be outside, because that means it's really about to change. It's really about to reverse. And the next thing you're going to be looking for is, let me look for one. All right, this is a good one right here. You're going to be looking for the second candle right here. You see how this one is already in an overbought condition. you see that the candle's already going down. You're looking for the second candle. That second candle is going down as well. That means the market is about to go down. As you can see, it went down. All right. Just a tip right here. I believe this is a gravestone doji. No, this is a dragonfly doji, right? So whenever you see a T that looks like that right there, that means the market is about to reverse, and that means it's a good time to get into a trade. So as you can see right here, the market is in a overbought condition. It's a dragonfly doji. That means it's about to reverse. It looks like a T, and you can see right here, bomb, is going down. And the second one, okay, is going all the way down. So let me look for another one to be a little bit more clear. Okay, this is very new. So this is a better trade right here. So the market is in a overbought condition. It is outside of the Keltner channel, and you can see right here. So at the top, I would have seen probably right here. This is what I would have been looking for. I'd have been looking for this candle right here. It's at the top of an uptrend and it's going down. Okay, the next candle. That's what I always look for. The next candle. So you see that it's turned into a dragonfly doji. That means it's a reversal, and it's just going to keep going down. Right, here's a good trade. Yeah, hopefully I was clear with that, because now it's time to make some money, man. All right, you can see right here, the market is in a overbought condition. It is outside of the Keltner. You see a little reversal. I mean, I can get in right here. I ain't even gonna cap. I'm gonna do a minute trade. Yeah, I just need my money back, and then we get with it. But as soon as I should probably do a 2-minute trade. I don't know. I gotta stop with the Russian. But as soon as I see another candlestick, I'm gonna get in for another trade. And let me just set that up for 50. Can they give me my money already? Stop playing. All right, so we won this trade. Got my money back. Now we at 530. Now I'm gonna wait for another candlestick to appear, because this is already about to reverse. This is what I'm talking about. It's in an overbought condition. It's outside of the Keltner. You seen this dragonfly doji as a reversal, so it's most likely gonna change. Yo, that thing is dropping. Like dropping too much. Like dropping too much. I ain't feeling the vibes, but you see that's a sniper gang entry though. We got in like maybe like right here. That was a real sniper gang entry. See that little sign right there? I'm telling you, that's game changing. Dang, I got in too late, bro. I was looking over there. I got in too late. It gave me more time. Y'all want to do it? That's how people lose their money. They already done missed the train. Instead of just being patient, they get back in. That's how people lose their money. But this strategy works. All right, so let's get into it. It's $162 profit. All right, we're gonna be up there. All right, man. Listen, I would do I would show the line, but that line is bad luck for me. I don't know why. Like, I remember one time I was up so much, like it was my whole entire screen. That's how low the thing was, and it just shot up. Like Elon was tweeting about it or something. Like, it was crazy. But as you can see right now, that thing dropping. I'm gonna do the line at 5 seconds, because that line is vicious, man. That thing don't play around with me. All right, but yeah, there's some good profit right now. Yeah, stay strong, man. This is what I seen. So first I seen that dragonfly doji has a sign of reversal. It looked like a T. And then I seen this big breakdown. I already had 1-1, so I already know the market was going back down. But I always wait until the second candlestick. If I don't, only reason I got it on this first candlestick was because I seen this reversal. But that second candlestick, that's what I'm waiting for. As you can see, I got in at the same exact point as this one. As soon as I get in, drops immediately. They try to give me a better entry. Just like I said, like, it's gonna go up, like it's gonna always reverse just to give you a better entry for some reason. I don't know why, but that's what it do. So we got 13 and 20 seconds left. Hopefully we can clear both of these trades, because I need the bread. Oh yeah, we got it. Hold on, man. All right, let's go now.
Yes, sir.
We got it. See, I gotta wait to the very last second, because that thing, bro, is just something about it. All right, so we had 674. That ain't bad. All right, so let's go back to my candlesticks. Candlesticks, that's the way to go. Oh my gosh. Yo, should we get in? It literally, this is the same exact one. Like, it went down, reversal. Hold on, man. 30-second trade. This is, oh my gosh, I don't know why I did that. Like I said, man, you cannot rush these trades. You don't rush these trades, all right? I literally just rushed it. I seen my setup though. You got the reversal, you got it in the over sold condition. And it's outside, it was outside of the Keltner channel, just barely though. I always like for it to be a lot more outside of the Keltner channel. Yo, we barely about to make this. I'm not even looking at it. All right, that's another dub. All right, man, so we racking them up fast at this point. 764, we racking them up fast at this point. I can't even lie, I'm really about to eat because it seems like it's just going up and down. I'm gonna like this. Actually, let me get out. Always remember which time frame you're in because you can literally mess yourself up. See, things look a lot different. See, that's what I seen last time. So somehow the thing, oh, when I went to the line, it changed. All right, so just remember these time frames change. We're gonna do 2 minutes. It's in an overbought condition. You got your red. It's the second candle right here. All right, we're gonna get in right here. Oh, that's a great entry. Yo, I gotta stop with these $90 trades. What am I thinking? $66? That's doing too much, bro. A nice little $60 trade. Oh, slow your roll, bucko. A nice little $60 trade. That's $100 made. You feel me? But so what I seen, this is literally just popping up. People ain't doing this, all right? So yeah, I got in a bad time. But what I seen is outside of the Keltner channel. It's in an overbought condition, and I waited into the second candlestick at a very late time. But hey, it's all good. I like for it to go down personally. How much time do I have left? I got a minute left. Yeah, not sure. This is my 5th trade right now. I am currently 4-1. I'm really 5-0 because the first one they cheated me by like 2 seconds, like no, a half a second, but it's all good. This right here gonna be 5-1. I already won the series. I'm 4-1 right now. I'm just mutting, so really mutting, doing a whole $90 trade. But I just want to show y'all that this actually works. Like, look, this actually works, like, for real. So another $90 trade. Let's get it, man. It's gonna be $156 profit. We not looking at that line. Listen, trust me, we don't look at that line. I know it look cute to put on your Instagram, but listen, the real traders that look at the candlesticks, that know what they doing. They not looking at that line. They looking at these candlesticks. Trust me. All right, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. That's
Yes,
another.
sir.
Clear. All right, man. So that's 800. What that was? $300. Let me get 300 for y'all. All right, shoot. Walked in 500. Put a $500 in. What it was? About 10 minutes later, walked out to 8. So how much I owe you? All right, so that 1, that 2, 3. That's $300 profit. You can take your girl out somewhere nice with that. You can get you some Jordans. That's nice. But man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This was very fun. This is my first time doing like an actual finance type business type thing. This is always what I wanted to do, and as you can see, man, we profitable, baby. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a like, share to a friend, because this is money. I'm not I ain't pranking. This ain't no prank. This is money. And go ahead and subscribe, because your boy do this. A lot of HFX or business people, they don't be fun with their YouTube. They just be doing YouTube to provide the information. But I'm doing YouTube to not only provide the information, but to also entertain.
Thank you guys for 13 subscribers.